Red Rock Cafes. We're here to get a drink and a snack. We don't know exactly what we're getting, but we will find out shortly. So far we've been lucky. It's always been good. Hopefully it'll be good this time. So what we have here is shrimp tacos. The little chunks there are guacamole. And there is shrimp in there somewhere, because I tasted it. And it's pretty darn good. This is an appetizer. And to be honest with you, we don't know what it is. But it's not bad either. But we are enjoying this. Horrible. Need more. Oh yeah. When we were here 2 weeks ago, this is as far as we made it. We decided not to go any further because it was getting late in the afternoon. So now we're going over the other side of this bridge to see what's there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.